Hello there, and thank you for joining me. My name's Stephen from London Flat Roofing. Want to show you this green roof that we got involved with. We actually got involved with it before this roof was laid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through what it looked like before this roof was put on. We're going to strip this roof off. It's only been on for about a year, 18 months, but it was badly put down. So let me show you the before photographs. Now, as you can see, it's just a standard felt roof, and there's not a lot really wrong with it, but it was leaking slightly in a couple of places. That's why I'd been called in. Now, when I got called in and looked at this, I saw the amount of detail in the roof, especially in these particular parts here. And I'd said, look, this roof needs a liquid system. Now that is slightly a more expensive system than a single ply system or a felt system. And I think the customer obviously went for the cheaper options. And here we are 6 months later with a new single ply roof over the top of insulation. Now personally, I wouldn't have put a single ply roof on this because this roof has too much detail on it. And if you just look at some of these photos, you'll just see the amount of detail that they've tried to dress with this single ply. It's really asking for problems. A nice liquid roofing system on top of this with no joins would have been absolutely superb. Anyhow, we are where we are, and I'm going to need to make some holes in this roof to find out if it's wet underneath. By making holes in different areas, I can try and work out where it's leaking. We may be able to find the joint which is leaking and repair this, or it might need completely stripping. Well, as you can see here, there's water above the insulation, and I take the insulation out and find water below it. I next do a hole behind me, and then I do another hole on the other side of the wall. I find that there's water in all of these. It's only as I move further up the roof I find that there isn't much water. So we've really got a problem with this roof. There's water all around this insulation, above it and below it. And you can see there's water in all of these holes. Now it's really interesting, this particular hole, if you can see, this is where the two sheets overlap, where there's a joint in the corner. And actually there's water between the two sheets as well. So just where the water is getting in, I just don't know at this stage. Well, thank you very much for watching me. If I can help you in any way in the future, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Stephen from London Flat Roofing.